Here's a video on the Worcester Bosch 28i Junior and 24i Junior common faults. So you get to the point where people just get fed up with the boiler breaking down and request a new one. But we'll just run through the common faults for you for the Worcester 24i and 28i. So we are pulling a lot of these boilers out now, and they're coming up to about 15-year-old. I'm going to show you some of the common faults on them as I'm stripping it down for scrap, basically. So I've pulled this one out because it is at the end of its life, and while it's in bits I'm going to show you some of the problems that you get. So it's this gasket here that we've taken off there. So they do go because it's just lack of maintenance or people aren't doing it. The other thing I noticed is that these, can you see we've got these rubbers here. You can see where it has been leaking slightly, and you know, if you look at this one here, you can just see where, you know, it's been going past the seal. So you're going to be getting some crazy readings on your flue gas analyzer because of this and because of this. Okay, expansion. We've got our expansion vessel, which obviously goes in the back, down the back, and it connects to here on a rubber hose. These break on about year 7. Okay, and also the hose can get blocked, so it can either be that, or obviously if you're lucky it can just be the valve. Various people do various things to repair it. Slide a new one back, obviously down the back, or put an external one on. Now another problem that we've got is that this nut always leaked. It was a bad design. You can see where it has been slightly weeping and drying off. It's just like they never quite, it was like a millimetre or 2 off, and I remember when we were putting this on many years ago that it was always the problem nut, as they say. The pressure relief valve, which is at the back, that's not the pressure relief valve. 1 minute. The pressure relief valve at the back, as you can see, it's not exactly easy to get to. That also goes. When that goes, it takes that out as well. So some people sometimes take the boiler off the wall. There is a way to do it, it's just very difficult. So you've got these plastic blocks here. They get a pinhole in them, or they just break. So of course you just have to take these off. So if you get a leak coming down, it's more than likely this, and there's also one on the other side, as you can see. And then one of the other common faults is this does leak or it breaks. They've actually put this protective thing on to stop the water from going into the electrics, believe it or not. That's what that's doing. Rather than fix the problem, they've just decided to do that. So that's it. So the new boiler is pretty much the same. The new one, it's got the tank there, which is more sensible and it's a bit more accessible. So anyway, hope you learned something, guys. Please like and subscribe. The plumber's graveyard. Scrapman will be coming soon.